Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and signing in. Make sure your phone has a strong connection and the latest security updates installed. Once done, open Settings and go to Accounts or launch the Google app to begin sign-in. Use your primary Google address and enter the password carefully, then complete any two-step prompts. If prompted for device PIN or biometric verification, provide it. This first pass establishes a secure session, so you can proceed to account recovery or sync fixes. Next, you address authentication and sync issues step by step. Clear the Google app cache and force stop it to remove stale data, then reopen. If sync still fails, remove the Google account from Settings Accounts and add it again. This resets tokens and permissions. Make sure Google Play Services is updated and not restricted by battery settings. Also review two-step verification methods and app passwords so background services can connect without interruptions. This resolves most mid-process errors. To finish, verify that sync is enabled for Contacts, Calendar, Drive, and Gmail, then restart your phone to finalize token refresh. Once rebooted, open Gmail and Drive to confirm files and messages sync correctly. If you see errors, sign out and back into the specific app. If problems persist, run Google Account Recovery using Recovery Email or Phone. Make sure you can receive codes. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable VPNs. Add blockers or strict battery restrictions. They often block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.